What is up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Mia Lachey, and today I have a little bit of a different video. Melody Susie did send me a little gift. I am going to show you guys what it is, but already, judging by the title, I'm sure y'all know what it is, and you still clicked on it, so let's get right into it. This is it. First of all, look at how gorgeous this box is. Like, this is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. Here we are. So here is the limited edition gift box. And here is a little card, little greeting card, and you get 4 nail polishes, a design vase, a set of brushes, and a bouquet of flowers. The cool thing about these polishes is that they come in little vases, so you can actually, it comes with a little empty one. Let me pull it up, because I told y'all I already looked at it and was like literally in shock. So it comes with little flowers that you can literally put in this vase, and you'll have a little freaking bouquet of flowers, y'all. Like, how cute! I can't. Look at that. Y'all, this is literally so cute. Like, what the freak? Yeah, let's look at these 4 colors they gave us. So I'm gonna show what all comes in the box and then I'll swatch them. But these are the colors that come in the Urban Chic gift box, which is P3, P11, P14, and P29. So let's put these off to the side and look at what else we get in this gift box. So we're gonna lift it up, unlock this layer to enjoy the gift of Fluerwee. And here are some stickers. And then it also came with a set of nail art brushes. You get 6 brushes in this set, and 2 of them come with a dotting tool on the other side. So let's start with P3 just to go in order. On the smell, I can, like, the camera is pretty zoomed in right now, but from up here I can smell it. It literally smells like flowers. Like, I don't know, like, I've never had a gel polish that smells. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of weird. Oh, I done got it on my nose. I don't know, y'all. I don't know about the smell. It might, it might flow with you, it might rock with you and what you like, but for me personally, I don't like it. It's weird. I don't know, y'all. That's all I can say. Okay, but now for the swatch test. I love how this brush is designed. Like the bristles on the brush. It is a little see-through. It's not really as opaque as it is on the brush. It's giving jelly. It's giving a jelly color. But let's see how it does with the second coat. I'm gonna swatch all of them first and then go in with the second coat for all of them. P11. And this one is like a soft pink. It's kind of peachy and it has some shimmers in it. When I looked at this, when I first opened the box, I was saying how this would be cute as a French tip base. OMG, this is so pretty. And like the shimmers on this, I was looking at it in the sun, I was like, oh my gosh. The shimmers are so pretty. Now this is so pretty. This is giving a cover color. It's giving French tip. That is so gorge. This is P14, which is a white. Let's see how it does with, ooh. Okay, see, on the first wipe, it's giving opaque. But like with the black one, as you start to like, you know, thin it out, then it was getting a little bit sheer. But not with this white. This white is pretty thick. Not thick, but like, you know, it's not as see-through as the black. This last color is P29, which is like a brick red. Need a top coat because they are like, look at that gloss. You start to blend it out and like put it all over the nail is when it starts to thin out. So you would probably need 2 coats depending on what kind of look you're going for. I'm just gonna show you the back of the bottle. First of all, I didn't read it and it says to shake gently before using it. I did not do that, so maybe that is why the pigment wasn't all the way there. Lie down and roll it in my hands just to avoid any air bubbles. Though the black is a little bit streaky, it's not as opaque. In person, I can still see my finger through this, but on camera, you can't. So that's a little tricky. I was honestly obsessed with this color because the sparkles in here are so pretty. Honestly, y'all, this smell, the smell is throwing me off. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like it personally. But this pink, oh, she's so pretty. Do you see that sparkle? Even with 1 coat of the white, it was already pretty opaque for me. So like doing a good French with this white would be perfect. And then maybe using these green flowers on top of the French. That would be so cute, y'all. Or if you do like maybe a red French with these flowers. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This red is so pretty. It's giving like a fall red. Like a really classic, classy red. Really satisfied with the gel polish colors. As you guys know, I do not like the scent, but I cannot wait to use these colors in a set. And also these stickers. I already have the brushes. Y'all know how I feel about the brushes. I think they are a really good quality, and I look forward to using them some more. Everything will be linked in my description, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.